Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use the website Quizizz. Now this, I would say, is a mixture of Kahoot and Quizlet if you've ever played those. It is like a website where you can quiz yourself, make flashcards, and you can play a game involving other people to kind of see the knowledge that everybody's learned about those topics. So to sign up, you're going to click the top right hand button, and here you can sign up with an email or with your Google account. I prefer the Google account because I already have one made. Okay, so this is going to be your home screen. As you can see on the left, you have some options. So you'll have find a quiz, which that's the screen that we're on now. My quizzes, so it'll show you the quizzes that you have made. Reports, which is the statistics from quizzes that people have taken that you've made. Collection is a different way to store all your quizzes. And memes, whenever you're doing a game with a group of people or even by yourself, you can have memes that will show up after getting them correct or incorrect to just kind of add a little bit of humor. So first I'm going to show you how to search the quizzes. You're going to click on the search box and type in your topic. So you can say English. And here it will show up all the different quizzes. As you scroll down, there will be dozens and dozens. So as you scroll over them, you'll notice that on the right side of the screen, the image keeps changing. These are examples of the different questions in that quiz. So it will give you more of an insight of what it looks like. So then to create a quiz, you're going to go to the left top corner where it says create a new quiz. Click that button. Here we're going to say math. You can add a picture if you'd like, and you can choose a language. So even if you wanted to do a set of cards on a foreign language, you can change the language to make it fit your topic. So create a quiz. Whenever you create a quiz, you can either create new questions or you can find existing questions. And I'm going to do 2 questions to show you each. So to create a question, you're going to type in your question, and it's going to show up on the right side of your screen in the purple box. So I'm going to say, what is 3 plus 7? So answer 1, we're going to say 10. Answer 2, we'll say 8. Answer 3, we'll say 11. So as you can see on the right side over here, right where I clicked, you only need to have 2 options. You can add as many as you want or whatever, but it has to be 2 options. So you're going to go to wherever the right question is, click the little check mark right next to it, and that will show the computer which one is correct. So then you're going to hit save once you have your question right and done. Then you can find an existing question from somebody else's quiz that you can bring into your own. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and here we're going to type in addition. Same thing as before, instead of scrolling over, you just have to click them, and you can look through these and it'll show you all the different questions. So we'll do this one since this kind of goes with the level of easiness that I'm going for. So 3 plus 3, we're going to click add, and as you see, it pops up right on my screen underneath my first question, and it already has a right answer selected. You can keep adding for as many as you want. I'm just going to stick with 2 for right now. And then on the right, there are different things that you can add on to your set of questions as well. So we're just going to finish quiz right now. And then once you click the button, you're going to come up to this little pop-up. We're going to have to select the grade range. So I'm just going to say 2nd grade. Choose relevant subjects. We're just going to do math. Select the topics, early math. Save quiz info. And now I have my quiz. So once you have your quiz made, you can do a live game where other people can come and join. You can do homework where you assign it to a set of people, and you'll be able to see their statistics for what they get correct, what they get incorrect, how long it takes them to answer, and to see if they did it. Or you can play solo, which is by yourself. So we're going to do solo just so I can show you what it is. So I do have the timer set on, which just makes it a little bit more difficult, but it makes it more fun. So the first question, what is 3 plus 3? I'm going to go ahead and press 6. That's correct. And as I said, you can add images, and then there's little memes that will show you that are kind of fun. Next question, what is 3 plus 7? I'm going to get it wrong. 11. So as you can see, that showed up red, and the correct answer was green. So you would still be able to see what is wrong and what is right if you get it wrong. Once it's done, you'll see the statistics that I talked about before. So correct, incorrect. It'll show my unattempted, which is just questions that I miss. Average time, however long it takes. Then it'll show you how many you get right. Whenever you play with a large group, you can actually turn it into a fun game where you can see who can answer the most with the amount of streaks, or the highest amount of streaks, in the shortest amount of time, who gets the most points. You can have a prize at the end, make it fun for your students. So we'll say find a new quiz, and this is again for the gaming mode. So if you click teacher dashboard, it will bring you back to the original page that you first got on. And then you can go down here to my quizzes. Like I said before, I have a bunch made because I use it for examples. You can go to reports. So this will show you, I did this presentation for one of my classes where I had a bunch of students take a quiz on this website. So here it shows me everybody, and it'll say what percentage they got. Collections, I don't have any. I have one collection, which is math. So I would put all my math addition questions in the same collection. So later on, if I want to go back, I can go right there and I know all my sets are right there. Memes, I don't have any made, but you can make the memes for the different games. So they come afterwards to kind of bring humor in, like I said. You can go to your profile, where again, you have everything there. Settings, wherever you can adjust, and then log out. But yeah, that is Quizizz, and I hope you have fun making different sets and you learn a lot.